Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my friend, I
Okay, my
wanna
friend, I
ask
wanna
something to
ask
you.
something to you.
Who is your
Who
best
is
friend?
your best friend? My best friend is Saidi.
What is your
What
favorite
is
food?
your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza.
When is your
When is
birthday?
your birthday? My birthday is on June.
Where do you
Where
live?
do you live? I live in Neo Sampang.
Why do
Why
you
do
like
you
dog?
like dog? I like dog because they are friend and loyal.
And how do you
And
get to
how do you
school?
get to school? I walk to school every day.
Who is your
Who
favorite
is your
teacher?
favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Smith.
And what is
And
your
what is
favorite
your favorite
color?
color? My favorite color is blue.
When do you
When do you
go to bed?
go to bed? I go to bed at
Where do you
where do
play
you
sport?
play sport? I play sport at the friend.
Why do you
Why
study
do you
English?
study English? I study English to com- communities better.
And the last,
And the
how
last,
do you
how do you
celebrate your
celebrate
birthday?
your birthday? I celebrate my birthday with iPad and cake.
Yes, now you
Yes,
are.
now you are. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite
My
hobby
favorite hobby
is
is
reading
reading
book of
books
philosophy.
of philosophy. What is your best friend?
And my best friend
And my
is
best friend is
Mr.
Mr.
Fahmi.
Fahmi. When do you usually wake up?
Yes, I
Yes,
usually wake
I
up
usually
at
wake
3
up
o'clock.
at 3 o'clock. Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Bali,
I went to
Indonesia
Bali,
on my
Indonesia on my
last vacation.
last vacation. Why do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy
I
reading
enjoy reading
because it
because
helps
it
me
helps
relax
me
and learn
relax and
new
learn
things.
new
That is.
things. That is. How do you stay healthy?
I stay
I
healthy
stay
by
healthy by
exercising regularly
exercising
and
regularly
eating
and
a
eating
balanced
a
diet.
balanced diet. What king of music do you like?
I like
I
classical
like
music so
classical
much.
music so much. What is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor
My
is
favorite actor is
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leonardo DiCaprio. When is your birthday?
My birthday is
My
on
birthday
March.
is on March.
That is.
That is. Where do you work?
Uh, my
Uh,
work
my
is
work
sleeping,
is
eating,
sleeping,
and the others.
reading, and the others. Why do you want to learn a new language?
I want to learn
I
a new
want to
language
learn a
to
new language
communicate
to communicate
better and
better and
while traveling.
while traveling. How do you spend your